guys. You probably noticed beside me, I have a fluorescent light. And over here, I have a plasma ball. And what I'm going to be doing with a fluorescent light and a plasma ball, well, I kind of wish I had my flashlight here, but I don't. I guess I'll just turn my brightness up on my tablet. Oh, it's already up. Sweet. Click. There, I have taken this off. Now, watch what happens when I hold one side and put the plasma ball on the other. It lights up. It's not as bright as it was, but it lights up. And it's really neat. It's because the electricity is coming out of the plasma ball. The plasma ball is very, very high voltage inside of there. And the electricity is passing through the glass and into this bulb. And the electricity is going out into my hand. So it is creating a closed circuit and lighting up this. And yeah, it creates a circuit because it has a positive, the plasma ball, and a negative, my hand. And it works perfectly fine. If I had a more high power plasma ball, it would be much brighter. And if I had one of those things where, I don't know if you know what it is, but you put your hand on it and it makes your hair stick up like crazy, and it's really neat. That's because it sends a positive charge through your body, making your hairs repel from each other like magnets and makes them stick up. If I had one of those and I put my hand on one, then I grabbed this light with my hand, it would light it up right nice and bright. And that's something cool about these. I transfer electricity through my body and into the light using one of those electricity balls or whatever the frick they're called. I don't know what they're called. I'm just gonna call them electricity balls. But yeah. Plasma ball, positive, my hand, negative, creating a closed circuit to light up this light. And I know that my hand is acting like a negative because if I let go of it, hold on a sec, this is mildly difficult. Plasma ball, there. Use this other light to hold it up. Come on, get going. Create your circuit. Yes, there we go. Come on. I let go this side, turns off. I grab it again, turns on. And that's how I know that my hand is acting like a negative. And when I do that, you actually notice that it is still lighting up a teeny tiny bit on that side. However, when I take it off the plasma ball, it doesn't light up at all where my hand is. So that proves that my hand is a negative and the plasma ball is the positive. Yeah, right here, I have a black light, ultraviolet light, whatever you call it. And I do the same thing. Put one end on the plasma ball, and I grab the other end. And it does light up very dim, so dim that you can't see it. Oh, maybe you can actually see it a teeny tiny bit if you look extremely closely and have your brightness up at maximum. If you're using a TV, it might be difficult though. But yeah, I'm moving it up and down a little bit now. You can just barely see it. I can just barely see it on my tablet screen. But yes, it does light up the black light. But yeah, it creates a circuit, a closed circuit, and it works perfectly fine. If I had a higher power plasma ball, it'd work a lot better. Oh, and if I used one of those electricity balls that I was talking about, and I put it onto the light and I grabbed the other end, it'd be much brighter as well. Because that is much more powerful than this plasma ball, and it would be a much more powerful positive end. So yeah. In these, there are 2 filaments, one on each side. So the electricity passes through one, then goes through the mercury gas, lighting it up, and goes out the other filament. Now I'll put this back into the socket, or whatever. It's not really a socket, but you know what I mean. Come on, get in there. God, why is it so complicated to put these pieces of crap in? And it's really difficult when you can't freaking see. Click, click, and click. And the light turns on. But yeah, that's that. Plasma ball is a positive, my hand as the negative, creating a closed circuit on the light, lighting it up. And yeah, you guys can do that as well. If you have a plasma ball, put one end on one side of a light, of a fluorescent light, a fluorescent long light like these. Put your hand, grab the other side. Make sure you are not grabbing the plasma ball side, or it's not gonna work. Hold it with one hand on one side. Put the other end onto the plasma ball, and it should light up good for you, like it was a minute ago with me. But yeah, that's that. And, well, oh, did I mention that it's like 5 in the morning? Yes, it is. 5:11 a.m. right now. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.